what are the steps required when we are needing to prove the non-regularity of a language. Okay, one more thing, remember, if such question asks, very first try to check whether easily possible to draw a DFA, because such type of tricky question was given in one question paper earlier, where every student started working on pumping lemma. Okay, where it was required that if the regular language is given and if you can easily draw the DFA for it, then there is no need to prove it using a pumping lemma. But if you are having difficulty in designing the finite automata for that language, then you should start proving it using the pumping lemma. So I hope this is clear to you. So the following procedure we will be using. Is used to prove so the following procedure is used to show that a specific language is non-regular. So remember these steps and apply these steps. Very first step is assume that, so we have to prove this using contradiction. So assume that the given language is regular. Okay, and let n be the constant of pumping lemma. So you have to assume this first step. Second step is choose a sufficiently large string or a long string Z from L such that length of Z is greater than equals to n, as we have just discussed, and write Z is equal to UVW using pumping lemma. Right? Now third step is find a suitable I such that UVIW is not in L. Okay, this is a contradiction according to pumping lemma. Okay, and so L is not regular. So like this you have to follow these three steps. Okay, so now we will be following these three steps to prove the pumping lemma. Okay, so what was our question? Our question was this: